welcome back to another episode. It is 12-21-24. It's 12:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. I hope I'm getting the time right. You know what? It's fine. I don't know what time it is. Like I said, my clock's wrong, so I gotta look it up on the internet. So I better misread it, but who cares? Okay, so if you remember the last episode, which I'm going to do a recap, there was this huge, right here, this huge giant storm was conveniently right here, and it shifted down here. That all changed. It all changed. Why? That's a great question. Because it dissipated. Lost energy and it dissipated. But we got some snow flurries here and there. Yeah, and like there's no snow, but there is snow on the ground right now. So let's take a look at Mackinaw City real quickly because that's the only thing I remember. I'm gonna read this weather forecast. I should have read it before, but I didn't. So we're gonna read it right now. I have great news. It is not going to snow today in Mackinaw City, which is... What in the world? That's odd. Okay, well, I want to take a look up here real quick. So, that's a massive storm. It's giant, big, it's huge. Now, when I'm... Oh, it's weird. Now, when I'm looking at this, I can see there is a bit of sleet. Remember, sleet is mixed rain and snow. That's what I can see from here. But then over here, we got a lot of snow here compared when we get to the ocean. Hey everybody! If you live near Newfoundland Laredo, I can't pronounce it, St. Anthony and Grand Falls, Munster, basically all this right here, this whole entire red stuff, you're not gonna have school because of a winter storm. Most likely. I'm not there, so I don't know. I'm just predicting that there will be no school. Especially right here, just this whole thing. Yeah, 2024 copyright blizzard warning in effect. 20 to 40 centimeters locally higher amounts possible. Maximum winds gusts tonight northeasterly 80 to 100 kilometers an hour. Maximum wind gusts Sunday morning is northwesterly to 80 to 100 kilometers an hour, except 130 inches in the Black Tickle area. Similar storms in the past have caused delays, cancellations of ferry services, closures in roads of highways, scattered utility outages. Remarks the worst conditions are expected tonight into sun. Why? That's a gap. Into Sunday morning. Conditions are expected to improve on Sunday morning from Norman Bay to Lariance Eau Claire. Can't pronounce that. But poor conditions are likely to persist into Sunday afternoon. from Cartwright to Lodge Bay. Travel is expected to be very hazardous due to reduced visibility. Rapid accumulations of snow will make it travel difficult. Blizzard warnings are issued when a widespread reduced visibility 400 meters or less are expected at 4 hours. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environmental Canada to report severe weather. Send an email to nlstorm at ec.gc.ca or tweet reports using hashtag NLWX. You must travel, keep others informed of your schedule and destination, and carry out emergency kit and mobile phone. Issued by the National Weather Service of Canada and it's copyrighted. 2024, all rights are reserved. Excuse me, I don't know if I have a cold, but it's... So, I'm not gonna read the rest of it. Like, there's like so many things I don't want to read. Plus, I think this is a different... Flood over here. Florida's now back into a freeze warning in effect. In fact, what is the temperature for? Now I'm wondering that. 50, 64, yeah, Clearwater's 54, Port. Yeah, Port Charlotte, 64 degrees, Palm Bay, Riviera Beach, Miami. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so up here is actually 22 to 19 degrees. It's cold. As you get up higher, you get like in the negatives. And look right here. I can see right here there's a low pressure system. I already know that by the looks of the wind. Guess what? I can test the theory. And I'm 99.9% sure I'll be correct. Low pressure systems. 2 low pressure systems. I was correct. I didn't say 2, I said 1, but I was correct. There was a low pressure system. 28.2. 28.3 now. We have a lot of high pressure systems here. High. Then, if we come... Oh. I can't find the United States anymore. Somebody please help me. Oh, because I was stupid. High pressure system, 30.6. That may move into Michigan. Okay, so it does move through Michigan, but then another one forms and anticipates. Oh, here we got a low pressure system. Where the storm is. I'm gonna check now. I'm trying to be quick. I don't feel like doing it anymore. I mean, I do feel it. Never mind. I do a quick scan. Up, down, left, right. Okay, we're good. You're sorry, I went past Saudi Arabia. Okay, so Mackinaw City is actually cloudy today. A bit cloudy. Alright, now I'm saying cloudy. Mostly cloudy. Take a look at our earthquakes real quick. Earthquakes, we got a major... Oh. So we got a huge earthquakes right here. So we got a few earthquakes here. So yeah, I'm worried about this one. And a bunch of other things. So let's first of all this goes to any earthquake that's near land. So we're gonna review this one because I feel like it. I think it's the Philippines, right? Yeah. Oh, because it's... Yeah, do it. I want to remind everyone. Do it. No, that's not the United States. Let's go over here. Oh, there we go. Look at that. 2.5. That's 2.2. Okay, this. Okay, well, it may not look bad, but still, let's, like, reveal just... I'm not saying it's true. I'm saying just in case. You never know. You never know. Oh, pen, please. It'll adjust this right here. There we go. As an earthquake forms, it's just a reminder. this happens, right? A major bang, bada boom, right? Earthquake happens. And then what happened was a giant, massive wave. Pretend this is a wave. Comes. And eliminates this part. What? Gone. Bang, 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 and a tsunami hits. I'm not saying it's true, so don't be alarmed. I'm not saying it's true or not. Keep that noted. So, freeze advisories. So, I want to remind everybody, protect the old. Protect the homeless. If you're a good Samaritan, you should. Basically, protect anything. Protect all sensitive plants. Protect. They're just warning us, say, protect this, protect that, protect the old, protect. Yeah, so just protect everything. That's what we'll say. Protect everything. So, a few episodes, not one, not two, but 3 and 4 and 5 and so on and so on. I issued, and I got frustrated that they keep issuing a rip current statement. Well, since it's gone, I'm going to remind everybody for Florida. Remember, like I said to my last episode, even though the rip current warning is gone, it's still out there. But it basically means it's slim, or slim. When I mean slim, I mean like low chance of getting sucked out to sea. Is it true? Yeah. Can it happen? Yes, it can happen. But it's very low chance. And now here's a fun fact of the day. Did you know that storms can actually cause changes of rip currents? By the way, here's a would you rather question. Would you rather, and I was first to mention it, would you rather have ice cream every day, or your favorite ice cream every day, or favorite cake every single day? You can email, you can always comment. Remember, email is always made for reporting weather suggestions or any location you want me to check out. Or you can comment. Email's better. If you don't have email, then that's totally fine. So then we got a snow squall warning in effect by the lake effect snow. Okay, and finally, let's take a look at our wildfire information. Under investigation, we got a burnt area here. Burned area emergency response yesterday at 11:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight. I'm sorry, not Eastern. Would it be Eastern? Pacific time. Let's just say it's Pacific time. I'm not gonna research that now. And then we got a bunch of other wildfire information. 51% contained, update November 24th. So I can't review those because it still did not update yet. It still be there. It should be there. I don't know. If I do know, I'll let you guys know, but I don't know. Okay, let's go to air quality. Air quality, very wonderful, except for if you go to Mexican, it's like poor. Hey, look here, we got a gale warning. Don't go out to sea. That's the number one rule. You get a gale warning, don't go out to sea. You are taking a risk. You are taking a risk. So, I guess that wraps up our video. I just want to let... Now, I know this video was short. I know I talked pretty fast. I know I didn't explain anything about that much. So, please forgive me. I'm just tired. Now, it's great. That's not a great excuse, but I'm tired. And, a bunch of other things. Whatever, it hits 15 minutes ago. But remember, here's fun fact of the times. I'm gonna give you one more fact of the times. Remember? You got these times. I'm gonna split it down the middle. I probably suck at doing that. You know what? Probably suck at doing that, so Genius Mark is probably the best for the job. So here we go. I will remind everyone. Eastern time. I would say T for short. Eastern time. I don't really count. I don't really count fraud. Oh. That's fine. Then up here we got T. Yeah, Central Time. Pacific Time. But if you remember that, so we got 3 time zones for the United States, Eastern Time. This includes Michigan, Florida. So when I say Eastern Daylight Time in Michigan, I mean anything to the east in the United States. I mean Pacific Time means anything of the west, like California, and a bunch of other things. Central Time means anything in the central. Now, all I know is Eastern Daylight Time, Pacific Time. I don't think there's a thing called Central Daylight Time. I'm not saying it's true. Okay, thanks for watching our episode. Be a great day, Billy, tomorrow.